नातलाच्या परबे निमतान वसत थंय पुराय गोंयभर गोटे सजयल्यात. लिखलकपी नखेत्रा बाळक जेजूच्या मुर्तीन गोट्यांची शोभा वाडयल्यात. पळयात काय गोंयांत सजयल्ले गोटे. आडेग स्कोवा खातीर मडगांवच्यान मंदार नायक.
The Rashol Seminary every year has a tradition of presenting a Christmas creed with a specific theme. And this year we have the theme of Jesus, the water of life. And therefore, in this creed that has been designed and executed by the second year of philosophy seminarians, presents the water flowing from the stable and then going around watering and bringing about life that comes from Christ. Now, in this, some of the social aspects of also have been brought out, especially wealth out of waste. We see the fused tube lights being used, the used electrical pipes are used to make the palaces, as well as the PET bottles. And in this way, love for nature has been instilled in us so that we witness it and propagate it to others.